Hi, this is Joe with Technical Prospects coming to you again with another tech tip. Today we're going to be discussing how to access your CT tube log. So to access your CT tube log files, we'll go to our tab here, Reports. And we'll go here on our left and we'll scroll down. This will take us to tube. We have current history, all history, and errors. We'll start with current history. It's going to give us our current history of the tube that's installed in the system right now. If we look here, we'll see that we'll have the system serial number, obviously, and then we'll have the tube serial number right here. Then we'll have the version of tube. Then we'll have the number of scan seconds for this particular tube. And we'll have the kilowatts since the tube was installed and the tube scan seconds since it was installed. Currently, we're at 439,296 on this particular tube. Okay. We can also use this for troubleshooting. So if we look here, we have a section that shows us if we had any arcing, which is in this row right here. If we had a 1 or a 2, whatever it may be, that would indicate arcing. So, okay, we can go to and look at our voltage and our filament to compare to when the system did not have any arcs to help and assist in troubleshooting an X-ray tube issue. Okay. So we'll go out of here. This is the tube that's installed in the system currently. Now we'll go to all histories. Now all histories is going to show us every tube that was ever installed in the system from the factory up until this point. We'll scroll down on the right. If we look here, the first tube that was installed in this system, it says it here, first tube installation. Okay. It went up to 249,360 scan seconds. All Siemens tube recordings are in scan seconds. You see it's a reason, and then you have a reason why it was replaced. In this instance, this one tube that had 160,690 scan seconds, it needed to be replaced because of tube arcing, as we see here. And so on, you see here, the next tube, it went for 328,246 scan seconds. It was replaced due to the filament being defective. And as you can see, so on and so forth, this is how this entire row will show you every tube that was ever installed in the particular system that you have. We'll go to current. This is our actual current tube. Remember when we looked at current history, we saw 439,296 scan seconds. So we'll see that again. And today's date, 6/18/21. This is the actual, okay? We also have, again, for possibly troubleshooting, we'll say errors. And it's going to be errors for this tube that's installed. And in the past too, if you go back. So if we look here, we've had a good running system. We do not have any tube errors. Okay? Currently. Okay? There was a few down here back during this date. It even gives you a date stamp as well. And you would click on each particular highlighted here to get your definition of what's going on. So this is how you view your tube history in the service software. And for more tips like these, please check out our website and visit our resources tab for more videos and tips like these.